Koster 21 is a two-component, solvent-free, liquid-applied, elastic, crack-bridging, UV-resistant, waterproof coating, suitable for application on concrete, masonry, PVC and metal substrates. Correct PPE should always be worn. Exact details will vary depending on the construction site and the specific cost requirements. As well as the Koster 21, Koster Polysil TG500 Primer and Koster Repair Mortar Plus, you will require Koster glass fibre mesh for reinforcing crack-endangered areas, a heavy-duty electric drill stirrer with disc-type mixing paddle, and a block brush for liquids. All absorbent, mineral-based surfaces are primed with Koster TG500. This unique product hardens the substrate and provides a stable surface for the application of the Koster 21. Koster Polysil TG500 can be brush, rolled, or spray applied to vertical and horizontal surfaces. For spray application on horizontal surfaces, start spraying at the highest point until the substrate is saturated and material starts running down. Work downwards until all surfaces are saturated with uniform distribution. For vertical application, work from one area of the substrate in a methodical manner until all surfaces are saturated with uniform distribution. Application rate is approximately 150 grams per square meter. Wall-to-floor junctions should always be reinforced with a curved fillet created with Koster Repair Mortar Plus. Koster 21 is supplied as two parts in a combination drum. Remove the lid to find the powder and liquid components. Open the liquid components and empty into drum. Add up to 1.6 litres of clean water and mix. Cut open the powder pouch, then gradually stir the powder into the liquid. When all the powder is loosely combined with the liquid, mixing time commences. The mixing time is a minimum of 3 minutes. Partway through the mixing, turn off the drill stirrer and use a hand trowel to scrape down any material stuck to the sides of the drum. Continue mixing for the full 3 minutes. The Koster 21 should now be smooth, homogeneous, and with no lumps. Koster 21 should be loaded onto the substrate and brushed out into a uniform layer at rate of 1.25 to 1.5 kilograms per square meter to a depth of 1 to 2 millimeters. The thickness of the fresh coating can be tested with a delta thickness gauge. All crack-endangered areas should be reinforced with Koster glass fibre mesh. This includes changes of direction, blockwork walls, construction joints, and where there is evidence of previous cracking. The mesh is laid into the surface of the Koster 21 and gently smoothed using a trowel or brush. Joints in the glass fibre mesh should be overlapped by 100 millimeters. The second coat can be applied when the first coat can accept a light foot traffic, approximately 24 hours. This overcoating time will vary considerably, depending on temperature and humidity. The second coat is applied by brush in the opposite direction to which the first coat was applied, spreading out with and then smoothing down to an even 1 to 2 mm layer. The material thickness is tested once again with a delta thickness gauge. The fresh application of Koster 21 should not be subjected to frost, rain, impact or loading while it is drying. When fully cured, the Koster 21 provides a highly flexible, crack-bridging, UV-stable, waterproof coating. The white color reflects sunlight and reduces building surface temperatures.